Good evening, sir. What are your thoughts on the discussion today? Did you feel that it covered your expectations? Were they met?
Yeah, I think this sort of forum is very much required. It was useful discussion, and we need to talk more on this because there's a lot of discussion happening in industry. But I think the time has come to really understand what's behind the cloud management, what's behind outsourcing, what are the issues, what are the concerns, and some of the answers will probably come out from forums and discussions like these.
And what do you think? How would cloud be applicable specifically in the education sector, as in a separate, a part of the education sector where this would be applicable?
Cloud will definitely have an application in education sector, especially in academics. And if you look at institutions like distance learning, the distance learning institutions primarily should be the primary candidates for implementing cloud, where they can push almost everything in cloud and then provide access and content to the students globally. So yes, it has a very clear application in the field of education.
And what about openness to a situation where students read up about the topic before class, using cloud as a delivery platform for that, and then having a further discussion in the class? Would educational institutions be open to something like this on the cloud?
Yes, I think as a matter of fact, to increase the awareness about cloud, especially as new business models which are emerging by using the cloud, uh, education in academic institutions, education as part of curriculum on cloud is very much required. Companies need to take initiative and design some courses working together with academic institutions and introduce those as either part of curriculum or as a separate certification program. A certification program which will be useful or accepted by industry. There are some companies who are already doing it, but I think there is a lot more opportunity and space for other companies to come forward.
And so, coming back to the discussion today, do you think that the discussion as a whole addressed your industry particularly?
Well, I actually come from both kinds of industry. I come from corporate and I also come from academics, education field. So today's discussion did address, as a matter of fact, I brought up issues from both sectors, corporate and education. But overall, in a nutshell, it did address some of my issues and concerns that I have.
Okay. And would you have any suggestions for our further sessions, any questions, any pattern that you would like followed?
I think, as I suggested during the discussion, it would be excellent for a company like Blazeclan to take the lead and create something called Cloud Management Forum. Make it official, where the participation from corporates and all other industry sectors. Yeah, so drive it. Don't wait for anyone to take leadership. Don't wait for governments to come up with policies or regulations and all that. Take the role, take the leadership, create a forum. People will join, start discussions, create more presentations, get them out there in the field, and people will join. So I think one thing which seriously need to be done is create that forum, and Blazecan can do it.
Yes, exactly. This was our first step towards that, and we hope to have many more discussions and hope to see you there, sir.
Great.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
I'm looking forward to it.
Thank you.